Hello students. Now again after your second semester exam, we are here to go for the third semester examination portion. And as I know, very easily you people are knowing your third semester chapter's name. But today I want to discuss the first, that which chapter you all have to study in your third semester examination. The chapters are, first chapter you have to study set theory, that is lesson number 6. Then you have to study construction, lesson number 22. Then you have to study simple interest, lesson number 11. Then simple speed, distance and time, lesson number 12. Then lesson number 15, inequalities, where as a type of linear equation you can say that inequalities condition will be there. Then lesson number 18, properties of triangle. The same related to lesson number 21, congruency, means how to prove that two triangles are congruent to each other. And then last is the lesson number 22, that is data handling. So these all the chapters you all need to prepare for your annual examination. I hope so. Already you people are knowing. Just for a recall I want to tell this. So first we will start our chapter set. What is the meaning of the set? There are the different types of set, how to represent the set. Some basic operations are there for a set. These all the things we have to study in this chapter. I know this in class 6 you people have studied this chapter, and it was the first time that we have introduced by a new concept of the mathematics. And in class 6, due to online classes, many students are here, those are still getting confused in this chapter set. But this chapter is a very important chapter. Those who want to go for in future they want to make mathematics as a basic subject. For them, set theory is a very basic concept and they have to study in higher classes also. As it is started from class 6, now it will go for all the classes. Now set theory. What is the meaning of the set? Very simple definition is given that for a set, that the collection of well-defined object. When we are collecting a well-defined object is known it as a set. So what is the meaning of well-defined? How you can say that anything is well-defined or not? The basic thing is this, we should know about well-defined. What is the meaning of well-defined? Well-defined means if somebody will speak any definition to you, the same answer should come in everyone's mind. Same answer means, suppose that if I will ask you, write first 5 natural number. If I will ask you write the first 5 natural number, definitely everybody will start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is well defined. Nobody will get any other answer. But if I will ask you, tell me the name of the good cricketer in the Indian cricket team. A good batsman, bowler, fielder, whatever. If I will ask you, write the name of the first prime minister of your country. Definitely everybody can take the name, only one person will be there. But if I will ask you write any politician name of the Indian history, so many possibilities will be there. Any politician name. But if I will ask you write any politician name only, different answers can be possible. But first prime minister, only one possibilities will be there. So this type of collection which is well defined means if definition or the question somebody will ask to you, that same answer should come in everyone's mind. This is known it as the well defined collection. And when you are collecting the object, like if I will ask you, write all the English alphabet. In your English alphabet, write the all vowels. So it is clear. Nobody will write B, C, D, W, X, Y, Z. Nobody will write. Everyone is knowing how many vowels are there in English alphabet. So in English alphabet, there is a E, I, O, U. This is the collection of the English vowel in your English alphabet, from your English alphabet. But this is only the collection, this is not a set. When you want to make this set as a this collection as a set, for this what you need to do? Simple, you will make this bracket. Means this collection should be in a curly bracket, then we are calling it as a set, and we used to give it as a name of A, capital A. So set A is a collection of all the vowels from English alphabet. Very easily. Like if I will ask you, B is a set of the collection of all the whole number less than to 7. Collection of all the whole number less than to 7. Whole number collection, you know it very well. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The question is less than 7. Definitely we cannot take it as a 7. So B is a collection of all the whole numbers which is less than to 7 from the beginning. As a whole number you can take any of the number, but here you have to start from beginning. This is the set. Okay. So set always you have to keep in a curly bracket, then only this object, the collection, will known it as a set. Whenever you are collecting these numbers or this English alphabets you have written, we used to call it as the element or object or member of the set. So A, E, I, O, U is a member of set A or element or object. So A, E, I, O, U is the element of set A. The same way 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is the member of the set B. So how many members are there? How many elements are there? Here you can see that 5 elements are there. Here you can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 elements are there. Okay. So this way you can write the name of the element and you can define it as a set. To define any set, there are the different methods are there. Many methods are there through which we can define any set, but particularly in your portion there are the simple 3 methods are there to define any set. Definitely one question you will get in your exam, that one set they will provide you one form and they will ask you to convert in any other form. The 3 forms are the roster form, then description method, and then it's a set builder form. Description method now we are not using, as earlier we are using description method. Now two methods are there very popular, that is roster method and set builder method. What roster method is saying? Roster method we used to call it as the tabular form also. What roster method? What roster method? Roster method is saying the same as you have written. A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This form is only known it as the roster form. Whenever you are writing any set in the form of a roster form, there is no any foundation that in which order you are writing. Order can be anything. Like you are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can start the writing object means element of the set from 6 also. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can start from beginning also. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0. Means in any order you can write. There is no any boundation. But one boundation is very compulsory, that the repetition of the element is not allowed. You cannot write 3 2 times. You cannot write 4 4 times. No. Only one time you will write. Okay. So the repetition of the element is not allowed and the order can be changed. The set will not get changed. You can start your writing element from any side. It doesn't matter. This set, if you have to write in description method, if you have to write this set as a description method, the same thing if you have to write in the description method, so what you need to do? Description means you know it very well. In exam you are getting the question, describe this. Describe means you have to just define it very easily. Whatever member you have written, just you have to describe it. You will write it in this form: A is equal to the, in curly bracket, collection of whole number. Either you can write collection of first 7 whole number. Collection of first 7 whole number. This many possibilities are there. You can describe as collection of 7 whole numbers from beginning, collection of whole number less than to 7. Many possibilities are there. So here I have written collection of first 7 whole numbers. Means whatever collection you have done, just simply you have to describe it. So this method we are not using as much. The next method is very important, that is set builder form. What set builder form is saying? Set builder form. What set builder form is saying? Whatever collection you have done, just simply you need to write in the form like this. You are going to collect it here. So A, X, these all the elements you will treat it as a variable. Any variable name you will take, X. Then you will put double dot. This double dot means such that, X such that X is a whole number. X is a whole number less than, X is a whole number, or simply you can do one more thing, X is whole number and X is greater than or equal to 0 but less than to 7. X is greater than or equal to 0 but less than to 7. We have defined it. Or simply at the place of this value you can write one more thing. As I have written X is a whole number, it was 100% correct. This full statement you can write in one line only: X belongs to W. This sign we are calling it as a belongs to. Belongs to means the nature of the X is which type? Whole number. The nature of X is a whole number, means the x value will be, the x nature will be as a whole number, and the criteria for x is the greater than or equal to 0 but less than to 7. This will be the criteria for x. So in one line only you can define that x belongs to x such that x belongs to w means whole number, and x is greater than or equal to 0 but less than to 7. So definitely one question you will get in the exam, that question you will get in the roster form and you have to change in the set builder form, or you will get the question in the set builder form and you need to change it in the roster form. Any one possibilities will be there. Okay. So in this way only, when you will change these all the set, like one more example I am taking. C, define it as a A. A is a collection of 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. As I have written the set, you have understood what I have written. It's a multiple of 7. Then 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. These all are the collection of the multiples of 7. 7 table I have written. If you have to convert this roster form as a set builder form, so how we will convert? Simply A x such that, how you can define it as, x is a multiple of 7, but one more nature is also there, that x is less than to 50. The value of x is less than to 50 because still 49 I have written. Okay. So this way only you need to change the value as a roster form to set builder form or set builder form to roster form. Any one question definitely you will get. Okay, all of you. Now in this way only, after writing the set, we can see there are the many different type of sets are there. So now today we are going to discuss about the types of set. Now I hope so you all can open your copy, and I will write the name of the set and I will define according to this. Just try to write the set of the name at one place. Okay, the first type of set is the finite set. Finite set means when we are collecting the set and the element is a particularly countable it is, then it is known it as the finite set. Means the collection of the object should be is a limited value. It should not be unlimited. So this type of collections are known it as a finite set. So suppose that A is a set of all the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A is a collection of all the natural number less than to 10. So less than 10, this type of collection is known it as the finite set. And whenever any finite set will be there, you can count its cardinal number. And cardinal number means the number of object you have written in the set. So here n of A we are calling it as the cardinal number. So cardinal number of the set meaning is this: how many elements are there in the set. So how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 elements are there in the set. this. Like one more set, B S O P Q R S, P Q R T. Suppose that this is the collection of English alphabet, any numbers. So what will be the cardinal number of set B? Cardinal number means the number of elements in the set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The cardinal number of set B will be equal to the 6. So if you are able to count the cardinal number of any set, this type of set is known as the finite set. Means the collection of the object will be limited. Okay. In the same way, one more type of set is coming, that is infinite set. Infinite set. Infinite set means what? When the collection of the object is not limited value, it should be unlimited. Like you can say that A is a collection of all the natural number. Simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. There is no any limitation. Limited value is not given that. If limited values are not given that, so you can say that this collection will be as a what? Unlimited value, and unlimited value we are calling it as a infinite set. So there are the two type of set. We have studied finite set and infinite set. Finite set means the number of elements should be in a limit, and infinite set will be the number of elements will be infinite type of unlimited. So finite and infinite set. After them, two more type of set, that is empty set. Third type of set is the empty set. As its name is given that with the name only you can clear it, empty set. Means there is no any element will be there. Like if I will ask you, write all the natural number which should be less than 2, 1. Write all the natural number less than 2, 1. Definitely you will not get any of the set. You will not get any of the set whose value will start from this value. So A is a collection of, if you want to write the set, any member you will not write. And when we are not writing any member here, so we used to define this value in the form of phi. We are calling it as a phi. So phi, whenever phi is written, that its meaning is this: there is a no any element in this set. Set A is the empty set. No collection will be there. Okay. Like you all are studying in class 7th. If I will ask you how many students are there, those have passed class 10th. So you are studying in class 7th. There is no any possibility you can pass out class 10th. No possibility. So this type of set is known as the what? Empty set. No element you will get. Okay. A is a set of 5. And then fourth one is the singleton set. Singleton set is a set. Singleton set. Singleton set is a type of set where only one member will involve. Singleton means single. In a set when only one element is belonging, this type of set is known as the singleton set. Like the example, A is a collection of all the whole number less than 2, 1. A is a collection of all the whole number less than 2, 1. So simply only and only one member you will get, that is 0. 0 is a whole number and it is less than to 1 also. So only one member will involve here. So this is known it as the singleton set. So empty set, singleton set. Empty set means no member will involve, no element will be get, and singleton set we will get only one element. Okay. So these two type of set all are there. Empty set and singleton set. After then some more type of sets are there that we will study in our next class, because I don't want to make you confused in this chapter first time you have studied. So I hope so from slowly we will move for the basic part of the questions. Now these all are the basic things are there, types of set. I hope so you will study at your home what is the meaning of the set, how to define any set, roster form, description method, set builder form, and then types of set, finite set, infinite set, empty set and singleton set. Only 4 type of I have taught you today, and we have discussed about set. Try to study some more content of this chapter, and then we will study our next part of the chapter. Till the time, have a nice day, enjoy your day, all of you.